what is it that the importers have that has historically enabled them to compete on price? And I want to come back to the same question that I asked Elsie. Is the domestic industry doing enough, or what more could it do?
Okay, I think the industry has taken quite a lot of steps, or attempts. A lot of people don't understand that South Africa is a signatory to the World Trade Organization, and in terms of those rules, cement is a free product. You cannot automatically put import tariffs or anything on it. If you do, the country that you put it on could take us to WTO, and South Africa could get fined. So it's not as simple as just saying put import tariffs. So what we've done as an industry is looked at anti-dumping tariffs, where we can prove that the country are dumping it in South Africa, in other words, selling it here based on an incentive from their government. We managed to get that in 2015 against Pakistani cement. They're only valid for 5 years to let your industry get some time to fix itself. After 5 years, we applied for a renewal of that. That was renewed, and the one major importer, their tariff was almost doubled. As an aside, they've now taken the government and us to court over that, challenging that decision. The problem with anti-dumping is it's country-specific. So the minute we got it on Pakistan, the imports dropped from there and they start coming in from Vietnam. So we're now in the process of going through an anti-dumping application against Vietnam. So it's not as simple as just government can do this and can do that. You've got to go through these processes. However, what we're looking for is, rather than protection, and I think protection is the wrong word, all we're asking for is for a level playing field. So that there needs to be, and that's what we're talking to government about at the moment, is to say, can we not just have a customs duty, not an import tariff or anything, just a customs duty on product coming in that takes into account the carbon tax issue, the stuff that we have costs here that they don't have. It's also becoming more difficult now. There's product coming in from Namibia and from Mozambique. And in terms of the Africa Free Trade, there's also nothing government can do on that other than look at putting these sort of a duty to balance the playing field. And that's really where we're looking at. We're not saying ban the imports. We're saying at least let's compete on a level playing field with them. And I think, the industry, those are the initiatives that we're busy with at the moment to try and address this issue.